Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ether.fi token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ETHFI is the governance token for ETHFI, a decentralized protocol that lets users stake Ethereum's ETH while maintaining self-custody, unlocking liquidity and additional yield through restaking and integrated financial products like a crypto debit card. Core protocol, a non-custodial liquid restaking service on Ethereum, allowing users to stake ETH and receive a liquid token EETH for use across DeFi. Expanded utility evolved into an on-chain neobank with a flagship Visa card for spending digital assets, bridging on-chain yield with off-chain payments. Token role, ETHFI is used for community governance, voting on treasury management, protocol upgrades and benefits from a revenue-backed buyback program. ETHFI project institutional rating is 3.9. ETHFI token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 972.07 million ETHFI token. ETHFI token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.